Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to customize battery percentage in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. See in this status bar near battery icon, battery percentage is showing 30%. This battery percentage is showing outside of the battery icon. Okay, that is right side of battery icon. It is showing. Suppose if you would like to show this battery percentage inside the battery icon, yes, you can do it. If you don't want to show battery percentage over here, yes, you can completely remove. Okay, so let's learn how you can do it. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here, then go to notification and status bar and click on status bar, and here select battery percentage. By default it is set to outside battery icon. Okay, so if you click on inside battery icon, battery percentage will be showing inside the battery icon. See here, if you don't want to show battery icon near battery percentage near battery icon, click on don't show. So battery percentage will not be showing on the status bar near battery icon. Okay, so I keep it in the first default option outside battery icon now. Okay, so in this way you can easily customize the battery percentage in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.